Our factory is capable to produce polling strip, easy mount, screen protector. When you are polling the yellow strip will touch and erase the dust from the screen of your mobile phone. The PET plastics in green color will also adhere dust with its electrostatics. And then the tempered glass in this picture in purple color will be released and fall onto your screen to have a perfect feed and a dust-free attachment. We are the OEM factory. Please contact me for a quote.